your function and your day, and you are here today to lead us in this very important exercise. I would only want to make an assurance to the chairman of council that as government we are not about to reduce the funding to our universities. Only last week the president launched the new funding model, and in that particular funding model it will bring more resources to the universities, because now we shall be focusing at the actual cost of our programs and making sure that our students are funded at the cost of the program. And towards this, it will bring in more resources to the universities. Again, the model will make sure that no student is left behind, because it has a blend of so many things. We have scholarships, we have our loans. It's made sure that whatever comes from the household is at the real minimum. And even whatever that comes from there is funded through the loans from our Higher Education Loans Board. So we want to assure our universities that as government, we are committed in making sure that you are adequately funded so that you can be able to provide the education that is of the quality that will take this country to the next level. Our only resource that is central to this country is the human capital, and therefore we shall continue to invest to make sure that we produce the necessary human capital. With that, Your Excellency, it's now my humble duty to welcome you to lead us in this exercise. Karibu sana.